Today we are going to talking about this Mortise lock. This Mortise lock 60, and then 85, 85. Okay, latch, double. Okay, what is the special, or what is the for this lock? Okay, the double is 1 turn. Let's go and see this. Okay, double outside of the door, inside of the door. Let's go and see this is spindle out, in. Okay, so we put it. Okay. Okay, see? Okay, let's go and see outside. This is the outside. Let's go in. Okay, we'll put it inside first. This is outside of the door, the handle. And then if you want to lock the door, let's go and see. Just see? Okay, this is outside of the house. And then let's go and see. This is inside. Okay. Inside of the room. Let's go and see how to do that. If any dangerous, go and see. Okay, and directly go out. And then inside of the room, when you need to lock the door, see, when you need to open, see, why you are going to need this function? For example, when some fire accidents, and then when you need to go out very quickly, but if you are using a cylinder, see, this is the cylinder. Okay, cylinder, you need to cylinder. See why we need such kind of function. Okay, because when you are in a dangerous, okay, then if you go and looking for a key, okay, you go and looking for a key, and then you put it inside the key holes, and then you open it. You see, in this time. But if I'm inside and no need to looking for the key, and then we directly go, and then when if we go out, and then we directly lock. Okay. This is the function of this Mortise. Stainless steel. Stainless steel 304. Stainless steel 304. Stainless steel 304. Stainless steel 304. Okay. If you need some samples, call me. I'm David Hall. We make Mortise lock for 20 years.